Hello, dear students. Today we will talk about the petroleum. Yesterday we talked about the coal and its products. Today we will deal with the petroleum. Actually, what is petroleum? Petroleum, the word petroleum is derived from two words. Petra means rock and oleum means mined from the earth. That means petroleum, it is mined from earth or obtained from earth. What is petroleum? Petroleum is a crude oil or raw oil, you can say, from which petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. are obtained. Actually, it is a crude oil or raw oil from which different products are obtained. And this petroleum, it is a very important fossil fuel uh, which is usually meant for different purposes. And how does this petroleum gets formed? Formation of petroleum, it is also a very slow process. On the surface of sea, or you can say oceans, if this is the ocean, there are thousands and millions of organisms present in the ocean. And these organisms, whether it may be unicellular or multicellular, when they die, they settle on the bottom of the ocean, or you can say sea. They settle down on the bottom of the ocean, and with the passage of time, these organisms, if these are dead organisms, they settle down at the bottom of the ocean. They get covered by a layer of soil, or you can say the uh, land or soil on the bottom of the ocean. And when the time passes, again this process continues, with the result these organisms get buried deep under the surface of the soil or earth, you can say, under the oceans. And with, due to the under high pressure and temperature, these organisms get converted into petroleum. These organisms get converted into petroleum, and then we obtain these petroleum by the wells known as petroleum wells, or you can say these or you can say by different machinery. This is the fall. It takes approximately millions of years. These organisms get converted into petroleum, and it takes millions of years ago. That is why the petroleum is also the exhaustible natural resource. uh, because it takes millions of years to be formed, and the usage in today's world, the usage of petroleum and its products is very huge. Due to this, the day by day the petroleum, the products, they become limited. Now, how these petroleum or how the petroleum gets processed, that is known as petroleum refinery or refining. How the petroleum gets refining? Actually, the petroleum is formed of hundreds of different substances. Actually, petroleum is a mixture of hundreds of substances, and these substances are present in the crude oil, or you can say petroleum. And these substances are like petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. How these substances get separated from each other in the processing, and that processing is known as refining. And in the factory in which the processing, in which the refining occurs, is known as refinery. What is refinery? It is the factory, it is the place where the refining occurs. What is refining? Refining is the process by which the constituents of the petroleum get separated, and these constituents are like petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. And now Another thing is that the natural gas. Natural gas. Gas is also a fossil fuel. It is also a fossil fuel, and it is very important fuel because it can be transported through pipes to homes and stations, or you can say stations, or these schools. It is a fossil fuel, and it is important fuel because it is can be transported, or it can be transported to pipes, through pipes to houses and stations. It is it is compressed. It is compressed to make it as CNG, compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. It is a good fuel because it is less polluting. Less polluting. Why CNG is natural, this good fuel? Because it is less polluting. It does not pollute our environment as the petrol and diesel pollutes. Next important point about CNG is it can be transported through pipes. It can to homes, and it is you can say transportation is also easy. That is why natural gas is also very important fossil fuel which can be used in our houses directly. uh, Thank you. Have a nice day.